Unit 5. Life in the Future. Listening 5. Read and listen.
Our future. In the next few decades, new inventions and discoveries will make huge changes to our lives. On these 2 pages, scientists give their predictions about life in the future. Will there be schools in the future? Yes. Children will still go to school, but schools will be very different. There will still be teachers, but computers will teach some lessons. Some students will stay at home and learn in virtual classrooms. Virtual reality will give them an image of a classroom in 3 dimensions, or 3D. They will see their teacher and their friends, so they will feel like they are really at school. Will computers understand what we say to them? Computers will be more intelligent. They will understand what we say, what we think, and how we feel. In the future, humans and computers will be part of a huge radio network. We will send messages from our brain to our computer, and the computer will send messages straight to our brain without using wires. When you want to learn something new, your computer will send the information straight to your brain. What will clothes be like? In a few years, there will be clothes with soft TV screens in them. You will be able to change the pattern on your t-shirt. You will be able to show music videos on your clothes while you are dancing. Before long, there will be jackets with a soft watch on the sleeve. Will we have robots to help us? In the future, we will have lots of very clever robots called nanobots. Nanobots will be very small, but they will be everywhere. They will clean our homes, mend our clothes, and make our meals. Will there be televisions? Televisions in the future will be different from televisions now. They will be much bigger, and the pictures on the television won't be flat. They will all be in 3D. You will be able to walk into your favourite TV programme. It will happen all around you. What about TV channels? TV channels will be a thing of the past. People will choose TV programmes from a menu on their computer. In the future, TV programmes, films, music and books will all come to us through our computers. We will say to the computer, "I want to watch a funny film," or "I'd like to hear some dance music." The computer will understand us and choose the film or the music.